You're probably familiar with companies like Walmart, Target, Staples, and even Office Depot who make millions of dollars every single year by selling what we call low content books. And all that this is simple books with not a lot of content in it, not a lot of writing, like this notebook here. But did you know that you can also sell low content books and make hundreds, even thousands of dollars every single month by using platforms like Amazon, KDP, or even Etsy? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a gold mine that is going to make this process super easy and fun for you to be able to create your own low content books. So if that sounds good to you, make sure that you stick around until the end of this video. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel and we talk about all things money. Now, most of you know that my favorite topic to discuss on this channel is passive income, because you all know that I do have a business training program that's called How to Build a Passive Income Empire, where I show you 9 different passive income ideas and how you build those to start creating revenue every single month. Well, if you didn't know, now you know, and the link to that is in the description below. But anyways, this video will focus on creating low content books. Now, if you haven't already checked out this video where I tell you more in depth how to use platforms like BookBolt to create your low content books and to upload it into Amazon KDP, and also this video where I talk about creating coloring books and selling them on Etsy. Again, I'll leave the link to that in the description below so that you can find it after this video. However, I am going to be showing you a new website that is going to make the creative process super duper easy, where you can literally have your low content book ready within 5 minutes. So if you're excited for that and you're ready just to get into the information, do me a favor and like this video. And also, if you haven't already, make sure that you are subscribed. All right, now we don't do long intros here, so let's just go ahead into my computer. So this website is called KDPinterior.com. So interior, singular, not with an S, okay, .com, but it will also be in my description if you need it. And basically this website sells templates specifically for people to upload them onto KDP as your own product. So all of the products that you see here are for commercial use. So I'm going to go through the website just to show you the really cool things that they have. And this is the freebie section. So all of these cost $0. You can go over there and download these for free. You can see certain things like coloring books, even just line paper. And all of these are size to be able to upload to Amazon KDP because they have particular sizing. So you even see that they have different things like trackers and book covers, coloring books, activity books, and you'll see that a lot of their products are really great and very high quality, like this one here, which is an animal adult coloring book. And if you see my video the last time about Etsy coloring books, then you know that adult coloring books are a huge topic, or they're huge in the market of low content books. So I'm just going through just to show you what these will look like. And clearly, you know, this is something that calls to adults because it's much more complex than what you would see in a children's coloring book. But just look at the quality. And this is literally 25 illustration, 50 pages for $0. You can go over there and download this for free. And yes, this is again commercial use. And now all you have to do is click add to cart, and then you will be able to download it immediately. Now, this was a free product. However, not all of the products on this website is free. So you have tabs like ready to upload, edible for Canva, KDP bundles, KDP covers, coloring books, and kid activity books. And I want to go to the ready to upload. So these are ones that you do have to pay for, but again, it's only about $3. The most that I've seen was probably like $40 on this website. And you have more in-depth pages, so you'll see that these have like 120 pages, 200 pages, so you have a better chance of making more money with the more complex books. But they all have different niches, so if you're going into it with a different niche or a specific topic, then most likely you can find something here. So they do have planners, like you can see this one is a daily planner or a goal planner. So this has 120 or 100 pages or 120 pages. for different activities like writing down my goals. Then you have a 2022 planner, and this is more of a calendar book with some inspiration in between, and they have different pages in them as well. So it just gives your low content book more variety. And briefly, just to go back to the topic of niching, I always encourage you to niche your low content book. So for example, this one is an adoption journal. So I don't know a lot about the process of adoption, but I'm sure that there's a lot of paperwork involved. So this might help someone or people who are looking to adopt children. So that's a niche that they have here. Now, this next one is going to be an online business planner. And this one is different than the one that you just saw because this one can be edited in Canva. So let me show you an example of that. So you have all of these different pages that is going to help a business owner or entrepreneur plan out their business ideas. So we're going to head over to Canva and I will show you how you can move around or make this book your own so that you're not downloading and uploading the same exact book as everybody else onto Amazon KDP. So in Canva, you can go ahead and change up the coloring for how you like it. You could change up the font, you can add graphics, you can add different pages, and this is just going to help you stand out on Amazon or even on Etsy. But we're going to talk about all the legal stuff in a moment, so stick with me on that. Now, just to explain, once you add this product to your cart and you download it, it's immediately going to take you to a link in Canva, which is going to bring you into this particular page where you can change up the coloring. So I really love that about the ones that are able to edit in Canva because you can make it your own. But again, there are some legal things that you're going to want to know, so stick with me. If you're enjoying this content so far, please do me a favor and go into the comments section and leave me your favorite emoji. You can leave me a smiley face, a heart, or a thumbs up, or just whatever your favorite emoji is. This just lets me know that you're still here, you're listening, and you're enjoying all of the information that I'm giving you. All right, we can get back into the video. It's really important that we go over the legal page so that you don't run into any copywriting trouble. So these prints can be used for commercial purposes, and you can use them as your book interiors in print or digital form and then sell the book online. You cannot sell this item as it is to third parties as a digital book interior. So this means that you cannot just resell this book or the interior pages as an interior page. You have to create a book out of it. So you're going to have to create a cover page, a back page, and only use these prints as the interior pages of that book. So I hope that that's clear. And you are not allowed to sell our products as it is on other marketplaces like Etsy because this company is already doing that. So if you do that, you will run into legal trouble. However, if you want to use these interior pages, you must add modifications to them to make them your own interior books so that you can sell them on marketplaces like Etsy or even to sell them as is in digital form. But you have to add modifications and significant modifications at that. So I wanted to show you another example of farm animals coloring books, and we're going to get into some numbers here because I'm going to show you how much you could be making from selling coloring books on Amazon. So here's an example of an adult coloring book, and it's 100 amazing patterns, and they have a whole lot of sales simply from this pretty plain coloring book. I mean, it just has coloring pages that are similar to this. And again, this is in the adult coloring book niche, which is a big niche. So I'm going to go over to BookBolt so that I can show you how much this company is actually making in their low content book sales. So what we're going to do, we're going to log into our BookBolt section, and you can find a link to that in the description below if you haven't already. And really, we're going to use BookBolt for two things. One, we're going to use it to create our cover pages, our cover and back pages, because remember, you cannot just upload these prints as regular interior prints without modifications. you have to have a cover page and a back page and add in the prints from KDPinteriors.com as the interior pages, or else you will run into some copywriting issues. So we're going to use BookBalt in order to create our cover pages and back pages, as you saw as an example with the previous adult coloring book that I just showed you on Amazon.com. Here are just a few really cool ways that you can utilize BookBalt to create your cover page and back page, and also your interior pages as well. And yeah, I'm just showing you guys this, but now we're going to go over to the section where we can research our niches and also figure out how much authors are getting paid for their low content books. So this is the same exact author, and they have made per month about 573 sales, right? So when we go ahead and calculate this, they're selling the book for $10, and they're making on average 573 sales per month. So from this one coloring book from the same author, they are making about $5,730 every single month from one coloring book. The author has over 100 coloring books listed on Amazon KDP. So you can only imagine how much they are actually making as a whole business every single month, when they're just making over $5,000 for one book. So I just wanted to show you guys how lucrative this can be. And as you can see, this is the same exact coloring book that they have listed here. So BookBalt is a really good tool to help us with those numbers. First of all, let me thank you for making it this far into the video. All of the links that you need are in my description below. Remember that the business training program that's going to show you how to build a passive income empire will also be in the description, okay? So thank you so much for watching until this point, and I'll see you all in the next one.